Hello students, welcome back. So now we are going to fetch name of the fruits that start with the letter B. So we're gonna select everything from fruits where fruit name like B. So the way you do is you use this single quote B percentage. The percent sign is a wild character. So what basically it means is that find me all the fruits that has B in the beginning and after that it should have anything else after that. So that's what this percent means. It's a wild character. Okay, so control C, come over here, paste it, and let's run this and wait for it. And the result is right here. So these are all the fruits that starts with the letter B. You can see that. So in this case, I'm B person. That's what I'm typing. Okay, now let's say you have to fetch names of the fruit that ends with an I, small I in this case. So select everything from fruits where fruit name like, in this case, I'm going to say like percent I. So percent is a wild character, and in this case, I'm saying that ends, that actually has I at the end right here. Okay, so come over here, Control A, Control C, go to your browser, go to your SQL editor, and paste it over there, and let's run this. And this is going to show you all the fruits where fruit name has an I at the end. There's only one fruit, kiwi. That's it. Only I. This one actually has an I in it. All right. Next one. Fetch names of the fruits that has an in it. So there should be a word an in it. So let's run this. Well, actually, let's just run this first. Come over here. Control A, Control C. So in this case, I'm using percent and percent at the end. Okay, so there's a percent both in the beginning and at the end, so that tells me that it should have something in there and something over there, and it should be in between. So come over here, paste it, and let's run this. And these are all the fruits that has letter an in it. You can see that an. I wonder if I remove this. Let's just remove this where clause so you can see what's happening. So come over here now, go on the top and put a semicolon, and let's run this query. And this is going to show you all the fruits, and you can see that these are all the fruits: apple, mango, kiwi, pineapple. Okay, and of this only three of them has an in it, an in it. Okay, now let's do the next one. Fetch data where it has the word an in it, the letter an in it, and PPU is more than 1.0. Price per unit is more than 10. So in this case, I'm creating a fruit name as fruit. I'm just creating an alias right here for this column name. Color, I'm leaving it as it is. And price per unit, I'm creating a alias as price from fruits where fruit name like this right here. This is the same condition as this right here. And price per unit is more than 1.0. Okay, so let's run this. Let me just copy this, paste it over there, and that's going to display all the fruits where the fruit name is has a word an in it, and it has something in beginning, something at the end, and the price per unit is more than 1.0. And let's see what if there are any results for that. And look at that, there is only one fruit that has the word an in it, and the price per unit is more than 1.2.